Is this right here? So there's one bolt right here, and there's one bolt underneath. Right here. Watch yourself. I don't want the car to fall on you. Just in case.
Maybe.
Just
yeah, I
watch
know.
Two more. Oh, you got it? Wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. Oh, I love when you wiggle it. Oh, shit. Oh, he got it. And we're getting off. Let's get on and off. Sledge. Scalpel.
There's shards of hot metal hitting me in the face. That's kind of fun. Being a mechanic, totally different thing. If you don't have an acetylene torch and a lift and
we're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
I need gas. I need a tow. I need help. Yeah. How is it when I'm down? No one wants to help me. How is it that when time is of the essence, the most delays happen? How is it that what's needed is my presence? My presence is what's lacking. I need gas. I need a tow. I need help, 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 help. I always put in 20. Why is it that I've been doing this ever since I was 20?